Thank you, Ceann Comhairle. Taoiseach, I wish to pay tribute to the Health Information Quality Authority for its hard-hitting and uncompromising report on TUSLA, the National Child and Family Agency, set up by the government 4 years ago. Its conclusions in its investigation, which was necessitated by the McCabe, the false allegations pertaining to Maurice McCabe, the conclusions are serious and are damning and call for a fundamental review, in my view, of the agency itself and whether or not it's fit for purpose. The report is alarming in that it basically says that as a state, we're not dealing with current child sex abuse allegations properly or with the necessary level of capacity. Despite all of the inquiries into child sexual abuse in the past, all of the huge outrage in terms of what has happened, it is extraordinary that in this day and age the government and its agencies is simply not in a position to deal with sex abuse allegations. And in fact, the report says basically that the system failures within TUSLA put children potentially at risk, which I think is a very, very worrying conclusion indeed. And the list of issues, 165 sex abuse allegations await first assessment. HIQA escalated in the course of its review 65 cases to regional managers at TUSLA where it was concerned about a potential risk to a child. The investigating team found cases which were inappropriately closed, poor record keeping, inadequate managerial oversight, a gap between TUSLA's national policies and what is happening on the ground, a lack of timeliness in responding to referrals and poor record keeping. And it found actual systems, again, as I said, which place children at risk. And alarmingly, no standardised approach to direct and guide staff in the management of retrospective allegations. And then the huge deficiencies in relation to working arrangements between TUSLA and Garda Síochána. No electronic transfer mechanisms, basically. There's no electronic data transfer system between them. Instead, notifications of child sexual abuse are notified between the two agencies by fax or by phone. In this day and age, it's extraordinary that both agencies don't have the capacity to electronically notify each other of suspected child abuse. Taoiseach, what I want to put to you in terms of the questions, do you have confidence in the TUSLA agency, its board and management? Do you accept it has a systemic problem which is putting children currently at risk? How do you account for the lack of any proper relationship between Garda Síochána and TUSLA at a formal level? And does the government accept its failings in this regard and the need for a comprehensive reassessment of TUSLA? It was set up in great haste with great fanfare, but it seems to me that huge deficiencies are still evident. Thank you very much. I'd like to believe you in terms of what you've just said if it wasn't for the record over the last number of years. Unfortunately, this isn't the first we've heard of this. HIQA, for example, conducted 12 inspections of TUSLA child protection and welfare services between 2014 and 2016, and exactly the same issues arose in those particular reports. So much so that HIQA in 2015 reviewed the governance arrangements within TUSLA itself. They were so concerned. And 9 months ago, in October 2017, the HIQA called in or organised a meeting with the Minister and TUSLA to appraise them of the fact that children were at risk because of systemic failures within TUSLA itself. And we've had the Garda Inspectorate report on child sex abuse allegations with very damning conclusions as well. Taoiseach, I think it needs more than what you are saying. The response from government is not urgent enough, is not comprehensive enough, and in my view is partially responsible over the last 2 to 3 years. Despite all of these reports from Jeffrey Shannon, Children's Ombudsman, they're all saying the same thing.
Thank you, Deputy.
But very little is happening on the ground in reality in terms of giving the capacity and a proper change to make sure that children are not at risk because of systemic failures of our National Child and Welfare Agency.